Magandang araw guys. This is it and medyo naiingal pa tayo kasi preparation natin Jamie's birthday celebration. And ngayon, maiba naman, lagi kasi kaming sa labas nagsa-celebrate. So today, I decided na i-set up yung kwarto ko as a fine dining, something na ganyan. And maririnig nyo sa music. At syempre, ayan, Whew! Jamie, pag napanood mo ito, sana magustuhan mo yung preparation. Ba't saan di ka? Nagutom na ikaw, sakto nakapagluto na ako doon. Eddie, love, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Open mo na. Happy birthday, Lovey.
Thank you!
Happy birthday!
Parang anniversary natin.
Happy birthday to you!
Yan, walang bouquet ng flowers, kaya
Sigaro namin ni ate. Sana mas magustuhan mo. Ay, nido! Nido?
Lang ko.
ano yan?
Isa kami na ate.
Ay, ang cute!
Ang hirap. Meron na naman.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Love you all.
Ay, finally! Successful ang ating ginawang birthday surprise. Actually, this is my first time na ganitong setup. I hope na naging masaya kang ngayon, love.
Super. Thank you. Thank you. I feel so special and loved. Super sarap pa ng food.
And syempre, thank you sa mama ko na tumulong.
Thank you, tita.
I think this is it. Happy birthday again.
Yearly na to.
Yearly na daw.
Happy ako.
Once again, love, happy birthday. Salamat sa 3 taon. At padadaragdagan pa. Makiwala mo ko. Bye, guys!